So eine süße Maus bist du.
Who doesn't enjoy liebevolle Umgangsformen? Plus, everybody knows that being selbstbewusst and able to talk about our Gefühle is sexy. So here we go, a video how to talk about love. Ich bin Spring German Lehrerin Brunhild. Heute sprechen wir über die Liebe. Erstens, Arten der Liebe. First of all, what kinds of love are there even? Well, if you've ever been verliebt, you know this one. Romantische Liebe. Yes, that is the kind that we see in Hollywood movies. But when it goes wrong, it can lead to Liebeskummer, which is the worst kind of Herzschmerz. A safer bet is platonische Liebe, which is the kind of love that we can feel towards our friends. Another name for platonische Liebe is freundschaftliche Liebe, friendly love.
Was ist los? Hast du Liebeskummer? Ich bin in Max verliebt. Das ist doch schön. Hast du ihm deine Liebe gestanden? Ja. Er meinte, seine Zuneigung ist platonisch. Platonische Liebe ist auch etwas Schönes. Er findet mich bestimmt dumm und hässlich. Vielleicht solltest du erstmal an deiner Selbstliebe arbeiten.
Platonic and romantic love have one thing in common. In both cases, you feel a strong Zuneigung towards the other person. Then there is also bedingungslose Liebe, which is what a mother feels toward her child, at least ideally. This is also a form of selbstlose Liebe. And then we have the kind of Liebe which I think everyone should have, and that is Selbstliebe. Because who can love us if we don't love ourselves?
Meinst du, ich habe einen Korb bekommen, weil ich mich selbst nicht liebe?
Chunk alert! Einen Korb bekommen or einen Korb kriegen is a phrase that means to get rejected. It literally means to receive a basket. What? This expression comes from the Middle Ages, where the Fräulein would lower a basket from her tower window in order to then secretly pull her loved one up. However, if this was not welcome, the young lady would lower a basket with a broken bottom or no bottom. It is said that this later became the custom of ladies handing annoying admirers a little basket in order to show them symbolically, dich zieh ich nicht drauf. I ain't pulling you up. Shh! For more funny chunks like einen Korb kriegen, feel free to download the link in the description. You'll find our free essential German chunking kit with which you'll learn to talk like a native faster. There are two ways of being verliebt. To be glücklich verliebt and to be unglücklich verliebt. We all have been on both receiving ends, haven't we? Wenn wir einen Korb bekommen, we are unglücklich verliebt. Wenn unsere Liebe erwidert wird, we are glücklich verliebt. The girl in the dialogue was unglücklich verliebt. She confessed her love to the boy and hat einen Korb bekommen. But how did she confess her love then? Let's have a look. Zweitens, Liebesgeständnisse.
Du bedeutest mir sehr viel.
Here are some ways of expressing your love. Du bedeutest mir sehr viel. You could say this to anyone who means a lot to you. Was wäre ich ohne dich is a phrase to let your partner or friend know that they complete you. If you want to step up the romance even further, you could say, wir sind füreinander bestimmt. But be careful with this one. You might want to make sure that the affection is mutual, otherwise this one can come across very cheesy.
Wir sind füreinander bestimmt.
Here come 3 phrases that I personally, if they come from the heart, appreciate very much. Für mich bist du perfekt, so wie du bist. Someone is accepting you with all your perks and flaws. This is what we all want, right? Of course, it could also mean that someone is wearing die rosarote Brille and doesn't really see you for who you really are. But that's just something you gotta investigate further then. Ich bin immer für dich da. This phrase has a nice touch of reliability, which is what it's all about, isn't it? Now, if you really love someone and you are ever so grateful for their existence, you could say, du bist das Beste, was mir je passiert ist.
Du bist das Beste, was mir je passiert ist.
3. Kosenamen.
Mausi. Ja.
Now, to address our beloved, we most certainly need a romantic nickname, which we call Kosenamen. Here are the most popular ones related to animals. Schnecke, which is mostly used for girls. Hase or Hasi, which is mostly used for guys. Maus or Mausi, which is also used for girls.
Die süße Maus.
These were some animal-related nicknames which are cute, but the classics are, however, Schatz, Liebling, Süßer, or Süße.
Hase, liebst du mich?
Natürlich, Mausi. Du bist mein allergrößter Schatz.
Oh, danke, Süßer. Das wärmt.
Komm her, Schnecke, lass dich küssen.
Oh, Schatzi. Doch nicht vor allen Leuten.
4. Komplimente.
Du bist zuckersüß.
We certainly should shower our loved ones with compliments, like du bist zuckersüß, du siehst wunderschön aus, du bist so klug, du bist einzigartig.
Du bist einzigartig.
5. Liebe macht blind. Liebe macht blind is a saying you hear a lot when it comes to love. In the beginning of a relationship, people are said to be wearing eine rosarote Brille, which is believed to cloud one's vision.
Max ist einfach perfekt.
Niemand ist perfekt. Das wirkt nur so durch die rosarote Brille.
What do you think? Macht Liebe blind? 6. Quiz. Einen Korb bekommen. What does that mean? A. To receive a basket. You know, for mushroom collecting and stuff. B. To get rejected. Literally, A is correct, but we hardly ever use this phrase in a literal sense, so mostly B, to get rejected, is how this phrase is gonna be used. But A would be a nice custom as well. What am I saying to my baby when I say,
Du bist das Beste, was mir je passiert ist.
A, we need to change your diapers soon. B, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. The correct answer is B, although surely both are true. How do I tell my dog that she's sweet as sugar? A. Du bist so klug. B. Du bist zuckersüß. While klug means smart, zuckersüß means sugar sweet, so B is correct.
Du bist zuckersüß.
Now you know how to express your deepest feelings, which is maybe not the first thing you want to do. To test the waters, you may want to start with some harmless flirting first. Learn how to flirt in the most playful and seductive way in this video.